Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name is Sierra. You may or may not know me. If you do, great. If you do not, you should get to know me by subscribing to my channel and watching some of my awesome crafting tutorials. I do a lot with Cricut, forgot what it was, sublimation, and a few other things. And today we are going to go over stamping. So ImpressArt reached out to me, I want to say a week or two ago, a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, something like that. And they asked me to be an affiliate and if they could send me some awesome stuff to promote for them. I don't promote stuff. I do reviews, I use the stuff, I do tutorials. I'm not going to sell you on something that I don't love myself. So today we are going to unbox the goodies that they sent me. So they sent me two things so far, and it's the Essential Hand Stamping Kit, which is this beast. This guy here. There's something stuck to my foot. And it comes with all the tools that you need to hand stamp things. Metal, stainless steel, leather, that type of stuff. They also sent me an essential bracelet kit. I don't know if you can see it because of the bright light, but it's a bracelet bending kit. Comes with the bending tool and a few other things and some blanks to play with. So I'm pretty excited. I want to open both of these, go through everything that is in the box, explain to you what it's used for, and possibly see if you want to try it with me. I am going to do a tutorial on how the stuff works in a different video. Today is just all about showing you what's in the kit. So let's dive into the box, shall we? We'll go through this box first, and then I'm going to point the camera directly into this box so that you can see everything that's in it. This one is a little bit harder to do with, so we're going to do this one first. Might need some scissors. So the box, it tells you that it's an essential bracelet kit. On the side, it shows you, it has like how to use it. Looks pretty simple to me. Way better than the method that I was using prior, which was bending with my hands. On the other side of the box, it shows you what you can use it with, which is the kit. You can use it with basic stamping kit, the essential stamping kit, multifunction hammer tool, and then the bracelets. On the back side, it tells you what all it includes, which is the bracelet bending bar, straight stamp guides book so that you can stamp it in a straight line. I really like that. Bracelet bending pliers, some blanks, some more blanks, and stamp enamel sample. So the kit over there has an enamel pen, and that's what's going to make it so that you can see the words or the pattern that you're stamping, or if you have a Cricut maker that you're engraving. So I plan on using these bracelets in the maker as well, and using the enamel pen to go over it after I have engraved it. But this is strictly for stamping. This video is, that is. I may or may not have had too much coffee today. Is that a thing? Can you do that? I don't know. That, or it's just the fact that it's finally gorgeous outside, because it has not been. It's been really crappy. It's been like winter forever. In Ohio, that's not necessary. It snowed in May. I can't get it open. I'm not just talking to you, I'm trying to open this stupid box. Scissors. Work smarter, not harder. I did not tell my kids nor my husband that I was recording, so if one of them pops in, it's all good. All right, so box is open. It's kind of all neat in there. Ooh, geez. All right. Alrighty. Oh, it's all rubber band together. Okay. well, no, it's zip tied. Thankfully, I got those scissors. So it comes with, you can see here, these are the 1 blanks, the thicker ones. The quarter-inch blanks, and these are the 1/8 inch blanks. The blue coating on them, they're not blue, they're stainless steel, but this is just a plastic to protect them from getting scratched and all that wonky ridiculousness, you know, while you're making the stuff. And I didn't need the scissors for the zip ties because they just popped off. I might have lied. This is why you guys watch me, because I'm such a character. I'm real. Ow, and I just pinched myself. Come on! Again, smarter, not harder. Pliers. I think I have something similar to this already. Maybe. Maybe not. So this is how to use. It comes with like this little, literally little, how to use. That's all that's in it. Tells you how to use it. Evenly space out and align letters. Use the stamp enamel. Darken stamped impressions. Bend it using the bar. And then bend it the rest of the way using the pliers. This tells you what bracelets are available, what sizes are available. And then texturing, apparently, you can do it with this tool. That's kind of cool. And this little booklet is just little stickers that you put on the bracelet to align your letters properly and space them evenly. It's pretty cool. It comes with a bunch of them. Nifty, nifty. It comes with 36 stickers. That's not as much as I thought it was, considering how thick that is. 36 is still a lot, considering you could probably reuse them. So still a lot. Alrighty, came with the pliers. And I'm pretty sure I have something similar to this. It's about the same size. I thought they made them bigger. The enamel. I think I'm going to like the pen better. So the enamel, you fill the impressions, you let it dry 1 to 3 minutes, and then wipe any excess away. Pretty easy peasy. So, and then the bending bar. So basically how you use this is you put the bracelet in there, in this little groove here, and then you hold it and you bend it around. And then you do the other side. And then you take this guy and you finish it off in the middle. Alrighty. So that's that kit. That's simple enough to review. Came with a lot. I'm pretty excited to get started on it. So this kit on ImpressArt's website is $45. So $45. I'm not going to try to put it back in the box because I'm going to play with it later. All right, so let's open the big box, shall we? I'm going to move you, okay? Actually, I'm going to take a break. Alrighty. Hi, here we go. This is the box. We're going to show you everything that comes in the box. Can I zoom in a little bit here? Oh, I got to tilt you just a little bit more. I thought I had the camera all good and you guys wouldn't have to sit here and wait for me to get it angled. But here we are. So, yeah. Let's zoom in just a little bit more. Here we go. Good enough. So the box. When I was on my break, I scissored it. Popped it open. This is a pretty neat box too. It's very sturdy. Comes with all of this. So the outside of the box kind of shows you what's in it. It does show you what's in it on the back. Can you see everything? Comes with everything. The ergo angle metal stamping hammer, split key rings, 4 rectangles to put on those key rings, the signature Bridget letter stamp set, uppercase, the large steel block with rubber feet, stamped straight tape, stamp guide, instruction guide, enamel marker in black, practice blank. It only comes with one of those. Well, okay. And that's it. Let's open it. Alrighty, so we have this bad boy right here. I'm gonna pull that off. I like how neat and organized it looks in the box. I'm gonna take tape off here. And this is just telling you what's inside. 101, how to do it. All that good stuff. These instructions are like 2 pages long, just like the other one. And then look, you can use their YouTube. But you don't want to use their YouTube, you want to use me. So, this one also comes with 70 stickers. Same as the bracelet, but you get double. And it shows it's the same exact thing with the guide. This is pretty cool. I want to do one of these. That's pretty neat there. The large stamping block. Let's open this. Well, they gotta tape everything. Probably just a giant hunk of metal with some rubber feet. That's exactly what. Oh, it doesn't even have the rubber feet on it. You gotta put the rubber feet on it. Totally fine. Not a big deal. Looks pretty easy. Remove the stickies, put it on the metal. So this is literally just a giant metal block. Basically what this is going to do is this is going to absorb the hammer so that when you're hammering down on a table or whatever you're hammering on, it doesn't go through to the table and ruin it. We don't want that now, do we? So it's gonna hit on the metal, not on the wood or your table. I don't recommend stamping on a glass surface. Just gonna put that disclaimer out there. I saw a video the other day of somebody using a Cricut on a glass table and the glass table shattered. I really didn't understand why that happened, but it did, and it was very terrifying. So these are just like little rectangles that you can stamp, and they have a keyhole. You can either make them as a necklace or a keychain, which are pretty cute. I really like this idea because you can put like a name or 3 names, and then family, or like 2 names, a love quote, and then a date. You can do all kinds of things with these. I really like these things. It also, behind those is some key rings that you can put those on. The enamel stamping pen, or the enamel pen. It's in black, but the tip is white currently because I haven't opened it yet. To open it, you push down and release the enamel. It's pretty cool. Oh, and it even comes with an extra tip. So when the other one gets all gross and wears out, here you go. Look at that. And then a hammer. Oh, that's a little lot heavier than I thought it was. It's very easy to hold. I actually like it because I have tiny hands and it's very tiny hand friendly. You see there? It's very comfortable to hold. It's a hammer with. Don't think it'll work on nails, but I mean it might. All right, and then finally we have the, oh no, not finally, because there's a hidden thing under here. It's the sample, but it's like in the bottom. There we go. Sample, metal sample. This could be cute, like big cuff. Put like some braids or a big name or a giant quote. I don't know. It's the practice on. So practice makes perfect. And then this, you can see here, it's pretty heavy duty. You can see here. Pretty heavy duty, and it's the Bridget Stamping Set. And you can see on the top, it tells you Bridget, and then it says uppercase metal stamps. It tells you that they're uppercase metal stamps. Tells you that they're 3 millimeters. That's how big they're going to be when you stamp them. This is also the accurate size that they're going to be. Focus, camera, focus. And that's the actual size that they're going to be. And then it tells you all of 26 letters of the alphabet. It has a little swirly, a star, a smiley face, a peace sign, a heart, and a flower. Super duper cute. Let's open it up. Oh look, another tidbit of information here. Squeezed on in there. Tells you what colors of stamping blanks you can get here. There's a pewter color. There's a brass, a copper, aluminum, whatever alchemy is. Not sure what that is. And then look, another very short but sweet user guide. I have a feeling there's going to be lots of questions about this. So definitely going to do a tutorial on it. I do like that it's so small that it fits right in here. And here are the stamps. Tells you what letter on the side. It also shows you the letter on the top, obviously. And then it says ImpressArt on the side, and they're very adequately large enough so that when you're stamping it, you're not going to hit your fingers instead. I mean, could you imagine if they were like this tall and you were like trying to hammer it? Yeah, that'd be bad. So, very, very cute. There's a cute little flower. Can you see it? Nope. Focus, camera, focus. There we go. Cute little flower. Shows you that it's a flower on the side. Super, super awesome. I'm really excited to get started on these, and I really cannot wait to do a tutorial to show you guys. All right. Gonna bring it back up to my face here. Hi. Blurry. So instead of leaning over the thing there, I'm gonna zoom out, not in. I love you, but not that much. All right, so that, my friends, is the Essential Stamping Kit by ImpressArt and the Essential Bracelet Kit by ImpressArt. Yes, this video was sponsored, and yes, I am going to have so much fun playing with this stuff. And yes, there will be tutorials, so you should subscribe and watch and learn, or watch and learn if you want to buy one yourself or not. I will also drop the links in the description so that you can purchase it on the ImpressArt website if you would like. Those are affiliate codes, by the way. So I earn a tiny bit of commission on every purchase that you make from ImpressArt, and it helps me support my small business. Also helps me buy my kids fun stuff, because, you know, fun is fun. Anyways, subscribe so that you can see all the tutorials on this awesome product, and like this video just because you like me. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.